Okay guys, finally finished my spreader on the back of my Blizzard SR. After months of development, I think I finally got it to work right. Using the teller, 4th channel on my remote. Going to give you a quick preview how it's going to work. As long as Snowcat stay in place. Alright, here we go. Turning the knob right here, this controls my tiller. I'm going to show you that when I turn it, first the spreader is going to come on. Alright, and the slot will open, as you can see. I'm going to close it. Spreader comes off. Got it running to the tiller control with the switch using a wire hanger, and everything seems to work good, and I'm going to give it a trial. Stay tuned.